Hey, welcome to Nari Sakhi, and today let's make banana flour sabji, which is very healthy for bone health and contains a lot of micronutrients. So for this, I have cleaned and chopped this banana blossom flour, and I have a video I'm going to share in the link in the description how to chop and clean banana blossom banana flour. It's very long process, but once you get it, you know how to do it. You have need to soak the chopped vegetable in water for 5 to 6 hours. I keep it overnight. So once you soak it in water, what happens is the stickiness goes away. There is a little bit of bitterness that goes away, and this gets oxidized very quickly. So once you are ready to cook this vegetable, that is the time you take it out of the water. You can rinse it 2 times also if you find the stickiness. So now I'm going to pressure cook this for 3 to 4 whistles. I'm not going to add more water, just about half a cup of water. And I'm going to pressure cook for 3 to 4 whistles. And let's do the seasoning part. So I have this green peas also, which I'm going to cook separately with some salt. So seasoning, oil, mustard seeds. So once I don't add too much spices to this because I like the flavor of this banana flour sabzi. So for spiciness, I'm going to add some green chilies, curry leaves if you have. Otherwise, it's okay. I'm going to slow down the gas flame because I'm adding some dry spices, red chili powder and turmeric powder. If the oil is too hot, put off the gas stove. Now I'm going to add this is cooked banana blossom, chopped and cooked. So I'm going to add some and stir it so that spices don't get burnt. It's a very healthy vegetable for menopausal, for after delivery, for women's, for improving the bone health. There is a lot of fiber also. I'm going to add rest of the vegetable with the water. I didn't add too much water when this banana flour is cooking. You can also cook after seasoning in a pot, but it will take some time for it to cook, like 15 to 20 minutes on a medium high heat. But I pressure cook it and do seasoning when I'm ready to make it. So we had not added any salt when I was cooking this. So now I'm going to add salt now. Add salt as needed. And for some sourness, I'm going to add kokum, or you can add some lemon juice, but just to get the flavorful taste of the sourness. This is cooked green peas. You can also add peanuts, boiled peanuts or chana dal, any kind of proteins to this, moong dal. So try different proteins so that way you get different nutrients and the taste also is different. And we are going to cook it until the water evaporates and there is a little bit of water in that. So cover it and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes, and that way it gets all this flavor of the spices also. I'm adding jaggery. Always for any vegetables or pulses, jaggery needs to be added towards the end when the cooking process of the vegetable and pulses is done. Otherwise, jaggery can hinder the cooking process. So this vegetable is almost done, and there is little bit of water which will get evaporated very quickly. So I'm going to now, my final step is adding freshly grated coconut. This will give a nice flavor. So add coconut and cover it and cook it for another 2 minutes and put off the gas stove. This sabji can be served with dal rice, with roti, and it's really tasty. And I don't add too much of spices because I want to enjoy the flavor of the sabzi. So do try this and let me know if you have any questions or comments or if this is your favorite sabzi. Thank you and have a blessed day.